Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing those scary stopcode errors, also known as the blue screen of death on Windows 11. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Before we dig into the software, we need to rule out the most common and easiest cause, external hardware conflicts. If you have recently plugged in a new USB drive, printer, or webcam, go ahead and unplug everything except your mouse and keyboard. Sometimes a specific device driver confuses Windows during startup, causing that sad face crash. Restart your computer with these devices unplugged. If it boots up normally, you know one of those devices is the culprit, and you just need to update its specific driver. If unplugging devices didn't work, the next most common cause for a stopcode is a slight error in your RAM. Windows has a built-in tool to check this. Click on your Start button and type Memory Diagnostic into the search bar. Open the app called Windows Memory Diagnostic. A small window will pop up asking when you want to run the test. Go ahead and select the first option, Restart Now, and check for problems. Your computer will immediately reboot and load into a blue screen that looks like a DOS menu. Let this test run to 100%. It might take about 10 or 15 minutes, and Windows will automatically restart and show you the results when you log back in. Finally, if your memory is fine, the error is likely deep inside the Windows system files. We can use the System File Checker to find and repair them automatically. Right-click on your Start button and select Terminal, Admin, or search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if asked for permission. In the black window, type this exact command, sfc/scannow. Hit Enter on your keyboard. This tool is going to scan every single Windows file for corruption and replace any broken ones with fresh copies. Once the verification reaches 100%, if it says it found and repaired files, you are good to go. Restart your computer one last time to lock in those repairs. And that's it. Your computer should now be stable and free from those annoying crash screens. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.